The benefits of forest bathing. Shinrin-yoku. Returning to the forest. In a world increasingly dominated by screens, schedules, and speed, many of us have forgotten something deeply fundamental: our connection to nature. Long before cities, smartphones, and artificial light, human beings evolved in close relationship with forests, rivers, mountains, and open skies. Our bodies, minds, and nervous systems were shaped by natural environments, yet modern life often pulls us far away from them. Forest bathing, known in Japanese as Shinrin-yoku, offers a gentle and powerful way to restore this lost connection. The term Shinrin-yoku translates literally to taking in the forest atmosphere, or forest bathing. Unlike hiking, jogging, or outdoor sports, forest bathing is not about distance, effort, or fitness. It is about presence. It is about slowing down, engaging the senses, and allowing the forest to wash over you. Developed in Japan in the 1980s as a response to rising stress, burnout, and lifestyle-related illness, forest bathing has since grown into a global wellness practice supported by a growing body of scientific research. Studies from Japan, South Korea, Europe, and North America suggest that spending mindful time in forests can reduce stress hormones, improve immune function, enhance mood, sharpen focus, and promote overall well-being. This script explores the benefits of forest bathing in depth, physically, mentally, emotionally, socially, and spiritually. It also explains how forest bathing works, why forests are uniquely powerful environments for healing, and how anyone can incorporate this practice into daily life. Whether you are new to the concept or seeking a deeper understanding, forest bathing offers an invitation to slow down, breathe deeply, and remember what it feels like to belong to the natural world. What is forest bathing? Forest bathing is the practice of immersing oneself in a forest environment with mindful awareness. Unlike structured meditation or exercise, it has no rigid rules or goals. You do not need special equipment, training, or athletic ability. You simply enter a forest, or any area rich with trees, and allow yourself to be present. The practice often involves slow walking, sitting, breathing, observing, listening, and touching elements of the natural environment. Participants are encouraged to notice the smell of the air, the texture of bark, the sound of leaves moving in the wind, and the patterns of light filtering through the canopy. Importantly, forest bathing is not the same as hiking. Hiking emphasizes reaching a destination. Forest bathing emphasizes being where you are. It is also distinct from nature photography, bird watching, or trail running. While these activities are valuable, forest bathing asks you to release productivity and performance. In Japan, Shinrin-yoku is integrated into public health policy. Forest therapy bases, designated forest areas with guided paths, exist across the country. Doctors may even recommend forest bathing as part of preventative health care. This institutional support reflects the recognition that nature is not a luxury, but a necessity for human health. At its core, forest bathing is about relationship. It is about remembering that humans are not separate from nature, but part of it. One of the most compelling aspects of forest bathing is the growing scientific evidence supporting its benefits. Researchers have studied physiological markers such as heart rate, blood pressure, cortisol levels, immune cell activity, and brainwave patterns. One key mechanism involves the autonomic nervous system, which regulates stress and relaxation. Modern life often keeps people's nervous system in a state of chronic sympathetic activation, the so-called fight or flight response. Forest bathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system, responsible for rest and digest. When people spend time in forests, studies consistently show lower cortisol levels, reduced heart rate, decreased blood pressure, and increased heart rate variability, a marker of resilience. Another important factor is exposure to phytocides. These are natural aromatic compounds released by trees as part of their defense system. When humans inhale phytocides, research suggests they stimulate immune function, particularly the activity of natural killer cells, which play a role in fighting viruses and tumors. Brain imaging studies also indicate that natural environments reduce activity in regions associated with rumination and anxiety, while increasing alpha brain waves associated with calm alertness. Together, these findings suggest that forest bathing is not merely relaxing, it produces measurable biological changes that support health and longevity.